This has been a significant couple of years for the SKIL brand. Many of us still remember it as a Bosch afterthought, occasionally still found today rotting away in the tool department at Walmart. But there's a reason you've been seeing it online, in shops, and garages.
SKIL was purchased by Shervon, the company with a long-established record of power, quality, dependability, and revolutionizing lithium-ion batteries and power tools. They decided to aggressively evolve SKIL into an absolute prosumer powerhouse. Want proof? Take a look at their 6.5-inch circ saw.
We're about to do that right now. This is the SKIL PowerCore 20 6.5-inch circular saw showcase. Welcome back, Power Tool fans. I'm Rob.
And I'm Sarah, and this is the SKIL PowerCore 20-volt 6.5-inch circular saw. Custom built to tackle every DIY project you'll ever attempt in a budget that makes them all possible.
Before we get too deep into this new tool or tell you how to win one, do us a big favor and punch that like button.
And of course, if you love power tools, you should really subscribe as well.
SKIL circular saw is an indispensable, if not unavoidable, power tool. Its versatility makes it critical to most woodworking projects. Its power is delivered through a 24-tooth ultra-thin carbide blade and fueled by SKIL's popular PowerCore 20 Lithium Battery Platform.
Specifically, the kit includes a 5-amp-hour battery and their 20-volt charger, more than powerful enough for most projects. But it's the additional features that they stack in that make this thing a joy to use. Both the depth and bevel adjustments are super quick, giving you the capacity to cut up to 2 1/8 inch deep and from 0 to 50-degree bevels.
The saw is also comfortable and ergonomic, featuring a 2-handle balanced grip to keep you in control and LED lights that light up your cut line.
So the SKIL 6.5-inch circular saw is available now for only $119 as a kit, but we're going to give one away to one of you. To enter, just leave a comment below telling us which project you'd tackle first if you won this saw.
Thanks so much for joining us this week, guys.
Don't forget to tune in this and every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Power Tool Week in Review.
We'll see you then.